Diary ng Pangit. I was also part of Talk Back and You're Dead.
Oo nga, yun yung isa pa.
Yun. So I had to be straight for Talk Back and You're Dead.
Yes.
Direk, ang hirap.
Biglang lang.
Pero ayoko direk, tinawag mo kami expired. Charot.
Sabi ko, no expiration.
Namali ako ng
Hindi kami
rin.
expired.
Oo,
Inspired kami.
exit
Yon.
lang.
Inspired.
Exated. Ang sarap dito kasi libre yung kape.
Yeah.
Nakailang ka.
Nakadalawa na po.
Salamat, Capital Brew.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
thank you.
Capital Brew. Ang sarap. Buhay na buhay ang
May
energy. Ako, as a person who tried to hide who I really was when I was in Accelerate, just be yourself. Kasi the more you try to pretend on being someone who you're not, the more unhappy you will become. So just live your most authentic self because everything will follow. The happiness, the joy, the comfortability with being who you are as a person, yun eh. Kasi dati, alam mo ba direct, pinipilit ko na maging bass.
Voice?
Carlo, alam mo yan?
Oo.
Kasabay ko si Carlo sa mga harmony na parang, kasi ayoko malaman nilang bakla ako.
Talaga ba?
Okay.
I did
Oh,
not
that's the
know.
reason.
Alam mo, tuwing nagpo-post kami about jokes about back pains, tinatamaan yung fan base
Okay.
namin kasi sila din daw.
Call my name and I'll be